What is going on? I am Mike with All About Pressure Washing, and obviously if you've clicked on this video, you've already got the drive and determination to grow your business. We're consistently putting out videos that are going to help you increase your sales, increase your profits, and show you the methods and the systems and the equipment that my guys use every day to help my pressure washing business grow 6 figures year after year. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you're an old timer like me, knowledge is power, and our goal is to make your company the most powerful and dominant in your market. If you want to cut your learning curve in half, hit that subscribe button, click on that bell, check out our other videos, and let us know what other kind of stuff you want us to talk about. But most importantly, have a great day.